It's worth of live coverage of the most prestigious and demanding tournament in the sport. Rob Stone, Randy Peterson here with you. And you talk to the pros, you get a sense of fear and also respect for this tournament. Don't expect a big strike show. This is more of a grinded out, fill the frames, get your spares. We begin with number 4 seed Doug Kent, the reigning player of the year, who made a dramatic change this week, Randy, just to get to his first TV appearance of the season.
Yeah, in a last-ditch effort to salvage a miserable season for Doug, after practice session, he got rid of all this 15-pound equipment, went out to the equipment truck and drilled all new 16-pounders. He said, Randy, I've got to change my look. All of a sudden, he started to see some different pin carry, got some confidence, and now he's positioned to win his 4th major.
Duke and Kent, a combined 19-2 in their last 10 televised appearances. This is Doug Kent, your number 4 seed from just up the road in Newark. Said this was a very frustrating year. Felt he bowled well, but really has gone nowhere. This week, the term he used, redemption for a long season. Regardless what happens today, he's had redemption. And Norm Duke, he could kind of use the same word as well.